My name is Andrea Fossum, and my colleague's name is Jenny Ezel. Together we created a professional development program that targets using available technology to address the 4 C's of 21st century learning. We firmly believe that middle school students are at the prime age for developing problem-solving skills, critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity. In our 21st century world, we feel students do this the best by using technology. Kathleen Fulton and her colleagues stated, "Technologies can provide powerful tools for student learning, but their value depends upon how effectively teachers use them to support instruction." Most of our schools are equipped with computers linked to the internet, laptops, computers for student use, smartboards, Skype, blogs, school websites, and many other technological resources. However, most teachers do not use the available technology to develop higher-level thinking or the 4 C's of 21st century learning. Teachers primarily use their computers to input grades and check email. Smartboards are usually used to have students recall information that they have learned in class or read about. And unfortunately, some teachers do not use the available technology at all. Therefore, teachers need ongoing training programs to help them effectively integrate technology into their lessons. Wouldn't it be great if students could enter into real laboratories during their science class and ask real scientists their questions using tools like Skype? We would love to see students connecting with archaeologists in the field during their unit on archaeology. During a unit on space exploration, we would love to see students develop higher-level thinking questions and then have the opportunity to ask real scientists and astronauts working at NASA. Now that teachers have tools like smartboards, projectors, and Skype, teachers can connect their students to real professionals, deepening the level of learning, making the experience authentic, and developing within each student the 4 C's of 21st century learning. The 4 C's of 21st century learning include critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills are the ability to reason effectively, use systems thinking, or understand how parts of a whole function and work together, making wise judgments and decisions, and, of course, effectively solving the problem. Communication and collaboration kind of go together. We want the students to be able to communicate their ideas and thoughts clearly and be able to listen effectively to others. We also want them to be able to collaborate with others by making respectful contributions to group discussions and projects while encouraging their peers' ideas. And we want all of their ideas to be creative and innovative. We want them to be able to use techniques like brainstorming to create new and worthwhile ideas. We also want them to be able to work creatively with others by being open and responsive to new and different perspectives and ideas, as well as developing and implementing and communicating their new and creative ideas to their peers. Our goal is to train teachers to use the technology that they already have available to develop 21st century skills in each of their students. We believe that would make learning more applicable to their lives and encourage the development of their natural curiosity and interests. We are proposing to develop an innovative design team, or an IDT, that would specialize in using technology for higher-level thought and problem-solving. The IDT would train teachers and administrators using varied approaches throughout the course of the year. The ultimate goal of the program is for the target school to develop their own school-wide technology plan that addresses developing the 4 C's of 21st century learning in each student with the support and guidance of the IDT.
The goals of the IDT team would consist of the following: inspiring and encouraging teachers to use available technology, researching using the web, determining the validity of an online source, using Skype to communicate with professionals, incorporating online discussions into homework using class blogs or websites, internet safety promotion, creating presentations using PowerPoint, Prezi, Windows Movie Maker, YouTube, etc., setting up safe places online for students to collaborate with group members for project-based learning, having students create computer games that other students can use to review for tests, using handheld devices to encourage all students to participate in lessons, having students create digital portfolios of their creations, and finally, target higher level thought and problem solving with technology. What will the project look like? Who will be involved? When will training take place? Where will the training take place? And what resources will we need? The Innovative Design Team, or IDT, will be a separate entity from the schools. It will consist of 6 pioneering individuals who are trained in the fields of education, communication, and technological application. The team will work with one school per school year to help them design a school-wide technology plan that involves cultivating 21st century learning skills into each student using the latest and greatest technology available. The program will consist of 3 tiers. The first tier will be an initial 3-day training session offered the summer before the school year begins. On the first day, the IDT team will share their rationale for creating and implementing the program. The second day will consist of the IDT team demonstrating the effective use of technology to develop higher-level thought, critical thinking, problem-solving skills, creativity, collaborative and communication skills with students on a regular basis in the classroom. The third day, the teachers will work in groups to plan effective instruction that uses technology to cultivate the aforementioned skills. The second tier consists of the time that the IDT team will be in the schools throughout the school year. The team will be in the school on a daily basis and will meet with teachers and administrators individually on a weekly basis to address questions they might have regarding the effective use of technology, as well as help teachers to develop classroom technology goals and plans. The third tier will consist of teacher collaboration and observation. At this level, the teachers will meet in small groups every 2 weeks to share their good and bad ideas with their colleagues. Teachers will also be scheduled to visit their classrooms to see how other teachers are using technology. The fourth tier will consist of monthly school-wide meetings that the IDT team will hold to nurture the development of a school-wide technology plan. The IDT project will culminate with a technology fair where the students will be able to share projects that they have designed and created using technology. The project will target middle schools because we believe this is when children are ready to cultivate the skills of higher level thought, problem solving, thinking creatively and critically, and communicating and collaborating effectively with their peers. A group of 6 IDT specialists will come to the target school throughout the year to train the teachers and administration. The training will begin in the summer with a series of 3 workshops that explain the need for technology training with regard to higher level thought and the 4 C's. It will introduce the teachers and administration to some effective strategies that can be used to integrate technology into their 21st century learning plans. The final day will consist of teachers collaborating with their colleagues and practicing creating lesson plans that incorporate using technology for the purpose of cultivating 21st century skills in their students. Next, individuals from the IDT team will meet on a weekly basis with the teachers and administrators to check their progress. The teachers and administrators will also meet every other week to share their new ideas and communicate which strategies are working, which are not, and how they can improve. There will also be monthly meetings so that the teachers and administrators can develop a school-wide technology plan. At the end of the year, the school will meet to share their school-wide technology plans as well as individual teaching technology plans. The students will also be given an opportunity to show off their best technological efforts at a technology fair that will be open to students, parents, and the community. The initial Tier 1 training will take place at a resort where the teachers and administrators will stay on site for 3 days. They will engage in IDT meetings during the day and be able to collaborate with their colleagues in the evenings. This will help unite the staff as a team. The Tier 2 and 3 training will occur within the target school's classrooms. Tier 4 training will occur within the auditorium or cafeteria so that the whole staff can attend. The technology fair will be held on a Saturday afternoon at the target school, and the doors will be open to the community. For the plan to be successful, IDT will need to hire teams of 6 individuals who are highly creative leaders trained in education, psychology, communication, and technology. They will need to be offered a reasonable salary, making approximately what the teachers in the area make, with good benefits. The team will target schools that are already equipped with updated technology like smartboards and student computers. The team will also need to have the ability to purchase updated software programs to ensure that they are teaching with the most up-to-date programs. The IDT will also need to engage in professional development focused on education and technology each year to ensure that they are teaching the newest and most effective information. The IDT will also need access to a resort that can accommodate their 3-day initial training session. Public funding will be needed to send the teachers and administrators to the training session. We will define our success through the school-wide technology plans, the individual teacher technology plans, and the student technology fair.
We will evaluate the effectiveness of the IDT success by first ensuring that the school-wide technology plan has the following components. We're going to be looking for a clear vision of how technology will enhance and deepen learning while developing those 21st century skills. We'll be looking for a plan for faculty hiring. We want them to be hiring faculty who have the technology training in place already. We're also going to be looking for funding plans for technology resources, training or professional development for those teachers who are already in place, and a clearly outlined support system for teachers and administrators. We also want the plan to integrate technology across the curriculum. The IDT members will also evaluate each teacher's individual technology plan. They will be looking for things like a list of effective strategies that the teachers have used over the course of the past year with regards to technology. They'll also look for a list of technological strategies that they will implement in the future. And of course, they need a plan for how the teachers are going to assess the students' technological literacy. The final authentic evaluation that we will use to define our success is the Student Technology Fair, where students will be able to showcase projects that they have been working on over the course of the past school year. The projects could range from the writing of a digital book to the creation of an app to help study for a 6th grade history SOL. The projects could showcase a new video game where the goal is to unlock a molecule of oxygen from a block of ice and return it to the atmosphere. The possibilities are endless and should encompass all core subject areas. By using the IDT professional development, we hope to aid school administration and teachers in understanding what a contemporary learning environment looks like. We want to teach them that technology is a tool that should be used to develop critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity in each and every student. By giving teachers the strategies that they need to succeed, with multiple opportunities for growth and development, we hope to help equip students with the skills that they will need to succeed in work and life.